Well, look what we got here. Guess what I found? I was notified by one of the guys in the Altima group, the 6th Gen Altima group, that he was just randomly scrolling and it came upon my Altima. We sent the picture in the thing in the group chat, and look at here. This Altima is way out in San Antonio, Texas, at Spotless Auto LLC. Can you believe that? My Altima is out there in Texas now. They want $19,985. Okay, so I see they making almost 3K profit off the vehicle. So I mean, it's actually priced pretty good, low mileage. Like I said, it was 55,000 when I dropped it off. Everything looks the same. Like go through all the details here, Spotless Auto LLC out there. And man, all I can say, it feels weird looking at it, but it's definitely there. It looks the same on the outside. You can just scroll through the website. I'm gonna actually leave a link to the website, just so you can go look at it. But they didn't change anything on the outside wise. They left the racing stripes. They left the lip kits, all of that. Like as you can see right here, side skirts, everything's still on there. As the same way I left it, I took it up there and sold it to CarMax. It looks the exact same. Nothing changed or anything like that. So, but the spoiler's still there. The diffuser fans, all that still look good on there. But whoever get it, they gonna be starting out pretty good with a car. And there's gonna be a good Altima to get if you do decide to get it. If you're out there in this area nearby this dealership and you do decide to get it, you're gonna get a great car. That's all I can say. But yeah, man, overall it looks the same, and I feel proud of myself, man. I feel real good that I put something out there. I don't know if they cracked the tail light right there, but I don't think it is. I think it's just a reflection of the lights in the ceiling, because it wasn't cracked when I gave it a CarMax, but I doubt it's cracked though. It's probably just reflection from the light. Now I do know one thing. I don't know if they replaced the tires on it. So if you do go out there, look at it. It was one brand new tire, but the other tires, they did need to be replaced. I do see that they maybe tried to pressure wash. They peeled the paint off right here, but everything else is still the same. Painted the same. I don't know who peeled the paint off, but who knows? Mileage still the same. Still the same amount of gas I left in it when I sold it to CarMax. Only thing I do see here that they did take out the orange light on the side. Now, when I sold it to CarMax, I left in the center console there some extra orange lights, some LED lights for the car, all of that. So I don't know what they did with it. I hope it's still with the car. So, I mean, if you're buying this car, if I was you, I would ask about what happened to the stuff that was in the middle, because it is extra stuff for the car, like backup LED lights and everything like that. The car still has the Lasfit lights and everything on it. So, I mean, whoever decides to get it, you're getting a great car. You'll see everything I've done to it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. If you come across it, just leave a little shout out. Say, hey, I just bought your car, man. The car that you had. That'll make me feel good. Just make sure you take care of it, dude. Definitely take care of it. Everything looks good, though. So, I mean, I wasn't even expecting it to look this pretty on camera. I'm just playing. But it looked real good on camera still. So, but yeah, man, it's Spotless Auto LLC in San Antonio, Texas. That's crazy. That is crazy, man. There's the address for it, phone number, everything. So, I mean, if y'all in that area, you're looking for an Altima, I mean, they got it priced at a good price that I thought they was actually going to put it at. It is under $20,000. The dealership got to make their little profit off of it, too. So once they get their profit, and stuff like that, y'all should be good. But man, I still put out some Altima content and like updated parts and everything else. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We found the Altima, and if you're in the area, go check it out. Peace out.